Hello children, welcome to my maths class. Okay, today we are going to continue with exercise 2.6 word problems. Okay, in previous class we have done some problems. Now we are going to start exercise, we are going to continue with this exercise 2.6. Okay, we are going to start question number 8. Okay, question is a water tanker, okay, supplied 4,870 liters of water to one colony and the remaining 3,026 liters of water to another colony. Okay, how many liters of water was there in the tanker? Okay, इसमें क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, एक वाटर टैंकर ने 4,870 liters of water एक कॉलोनी को दिया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट एंड द रिमाइनिंग, बाकी जो बचा हुआ 3026 लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर दूसरी कॉलोनी में दिया है. ओके, सो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, कितनी लीटर्स, ये टैंकर में कितनी लीटर्स पानी है वो हमें फाइंड करना. वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर वाज देयर इन द टैंकर. ओके, so we have to write a sentence for this. Okay, add liters of water supplied to both the colonies. यहाँ 2 colonies है. Okay, so supply to both the colonies. Okay, we have to add both these numbers. Okay, यहाँ hint क्या है, how many liters of water was there in the tanker. So this was the hint here, was there. Okay, was there in the tanker. कितनी liters of पानी उसमें total है. Okay, first I have written this. After that you have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Why I am writing thousands? Because 4-digit numbers are there. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, first write this amount. Okay, 4,000. Okay, here I am going to make a box also. This box is for carrying over. Okay, after that you can write 4,870 plus 3,026. Okay, ये first colony and this is the second colony. Okay, now you have to add both these numbers. Okay, first we will start with the ones place. 0 plus 6 will be 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. यहाँ कोई कैरी ओवर नहीं है इसलिए तो बॉक्स खाली रहता है. Otherwise, if the carry over is there, then you have to put the carry over here only. Okay, so 7,896 is the answer here, and you have to write the sentence also. Therefore 7,896 liters of water was there in the tanker. ओके, क्वेश्चन जो है वैसे की वैसे उसी में से आपको आंसर निकालना है. हाउ मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर वाज देयर इन द टैंकर? 7,896 liters of water was there in the tanker. Okay, so this way you have to write. Okay, now question number 9. Okay, there are 3,527 cows and 4,231 buffaloes in a village. एक विलेज में कितने काउज है? 3,527 काउज है and buffaloes 4,231 buffaloes are there. Okay, so we have to find how many total cattle are there in the village. एक विलेज में कितनी कैटल का मतलब कितना कितनी काउज एंड बफेलोस है उसमें. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट ओनली. इसमें जो हिंट है हाउ मेनी टोटल मतलब आपको ऐड करना होगा. ओके ओके, the first we have to write a small sentence for this before adding. Okay, so write add the number short form I am writing no dot. Okay, number short form is no dot. Add the number of cows and buffaloes in a village. Okay, now we can start. Okay, first you will write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4 digits are there, so I am writing ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so now you have to put the number for this thing, cows. 3,527 cows and buffaloes 4,231 buffaloes are there. So we have to add this. Okay, so in this I have forgotten forget to write one thing. Okay, I have forgot to make a box. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then you have to make a box over here. Okay, for carrying over. After that you have to write this number 3,527 and 4,231. Okay, so I think carry over is not there, so no problem, you can write this. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 4 7. Okay, so there is no carry over here, the box is empty, no problem. Okay, so the answer is 7,758. Okay, so what is the sentence we have to write? Therefore, total cattle. Okay, therefore you can write as total number of cattle. Okay, therefore total number of cattle in the village is equal to 7,758. Okay, so this is the answer. Total number of cattle in the village is 7,758. Okay. Okay, next question number 10. Okay, a poultry farm sold 2,367 eggs on Saturday. Okay, एक फार्म में कितनी एग्स सैटरडे को 2,367 एग्स उसने सेल किया है उधर. ओके, इफ इट हैड सोल्ड 1,010 मोर एग्स नेक्स्ट डे, अगले दिन उससे ज्यादा, मतलब इससे 2,367 से ज्यादा 1,110 एग्स उसने सेल किया होगा. ओके, सो हमें क्या करना है, संडे के दिन दैट इज नेक्स्ट डे ये दोनों को मिला के मतलब कितनी एग्स उन्होंने सेल किया है. ओके, पोल्ट्री फार्म ने कितनी एग्स सेल किया है, वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट ओनली. ओके, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू राइट अ सेंटेंस फॉर दिस. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, eggs, we have to add the eggs. Okay, you have to write just add the eggs sold on both both का मतलब 2 दिन. Okay, 2 days को both बोलते हैं. Okay, on both the days. Okay, so first you have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4 digits are there, so you have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Still thousand you have to write. Okay, now add. You have to make a box. Okay, after making a box, you have to write the Saturday. Okay, Saturday how much how many eggs are sold? 2,367 eggs are sold. Okay, then more eggs are sold on next day. Okay, 1,010. Okay, so you have to add both the numbers. 7 plus 0 will be 7. 6 plus 1 7. 3 plus 0 3. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so what is the question given here? How many eggs did it sell on Sunday? Sunday के दिन कितनी सेल किया है, हमें यही फाइंड करना है. Okay, so therefore number of eggs sold on Sunday, okay, is equal to 3,377. Okay, number of eggs sold on Sunday is 3,377. Okay, hope the concept is clear for you. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for today. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.